What's up guys, welcome back to another video from BKS Auto. Today we got a little goody in the box for the Subaru. Just came in. I've been waiting for this for quite some time. So let's go ahead and show you guys what came in. Alright, so we got the C-style headlights. I've been wanting this for quite some time, so it's finally time to do it. Remember I told you guys I bought them used, but they turned out to be for a 2008 plus, so that didn't work out. So I just bought them brand new, might as well. They're actually really good quality, not bad. The brand is Akkon right there, as you can see. Pretty cool. So we'll see how they look. We're gonna do the install now. So first things first, we gotta remove the bumper. So all I need is 2 flatheads to remove all the clips on mine, because mine's not held on by any bolts. Works out for me because it's nice and easy to remove. So all we gotta do is get all these in the front row right here. Let me set them aside so I don't lose them. This would be easier with the clip remover tool, but 2 flatheads work just fine. And that's it. You guys will see how I take off my bumper now. So what I do is just grab one end, pop all these little clips out, grab the other end, and pop these clips out. And that's it. Bumper removes. Nice and easy for me. Alright, so we're gonna just remove all the 10mm bolts. I got my Milwaukee Impact with the 10mm. Just everything at the top. Anything that you can easily access, I'll remove right now. They're all 10s, so it's nice and easy. Okay, so after you have your 10mm off up here, and you get these ones off right here, all you gotta do is pry the headlight from the little frame right here, and lift up while you do that, and it pops right out. I just gotta unclip all these right here now, or actually just this single one. And that's it. Now we'll go and swap the new one on, see how it's all faded and ugly. That's why I wanted to change them out. Alright, so here's the new headlight. We're just gonna go ahead and pop that into place. Let's plug this in first, actually. Alright, so after you plug that in, just carefully maneuver it into place and make sure everything lines up after that. Hitting something. Okay, there we go. And that's it. And I'll go and slap all the bolts. So after you put the headlight on, just go ahead and put I've just slapped all the bolts back on together. Now let's go ahead and tighten them. Do your best at centering it where you think it looks best. Don't over tighten it, because that's how your I don't know if you've seen headlights that snap right here. If you over tighten them, that's what happens. Here's what the headlights look before right here, and how they look after. It's a little bit bright outside still, so I'm gonna make a clip later on tonight of how the headlights look. And yeah, actually I decided to do a clip right now of the difference of what each headlight looks like. So let me grab the keys. So when I got those ones on off-road that didn't fit, I didn't take off the driver's side. I started with the passenger side like I just did. So bear with me on the driver's side, but it should be the same. So taking a look at things, it's basically the same bolts. So we got the one up here and the 4 right here. Alright, so just like the other side, you want to pry this piece apart and pull this out. There's a little clip right here, so this one's giving me a little bit tough time, but we were able to get it out like that. And now is the clip over here, and there we go. Now just maneuver it out, it's catching, and that's it. We'll go ahead and swap everything over, and I'll show you guys the new headlight on. Alright, so here's the driver's side headlight. Let's go ahead and install it. Just like the other side, clip this piece back on. Hold on, I'm blind right here. Wait till you hear that clip. The passenger side, just go ahead and find your way. Make sure everything lines up correctly. This piece is giving me a little bit more of a hard time than the other side. There we go. And you want to make sure that clip goes in over here. There we go. Alright. And we'll get the bolts back on now. Alright, so now that we got all the bolts and everything back on, let's go ahead and tighten it. Like I said, just maneuver it to where you think it will look best. I tried to center it as best as possible. Remember, not too tight on these, because these are aftermarket lights, so the clips are a lot less sturdy as far as over tightening goes. And that's it. Alright, so now let's go ahead and slap the bumper back on. I mainly try and line up here first because this part will come with it. So on this side I got a clip that's damaged, so what I'm going to do is just go ahead and make it work like I always do. I want to get this clip above, like so, and boom, this side's done. Now this side, kind of lift it from the lip and pick it up over, tucking it under the headlight, and then making sure all these clips go in smoothly, like so. Now I'll just put back together the clips up here, which I kept up here. Remember, always keep your hardware somewhere where you know you won't lose it. So I put my newer clips right here, just because it's basically the core support of holding my bumper up, since all I have is clips to hold it up. And my older ones on the outside. And it's that easy. So I'll go ahead and show you guys the before and after picture of the headlights. Really like them. Take a look at them again. They make the whole front end look brand new. And yeah, these are the C-style Akkon Lighting headlights. Alright, so here's the headlights at night, so you can see them better. You'll be able to see the C light a bit better. So there they are. I might be changing the bulb to a white LED, but that's the full picture of them. I love how the C light came out. These are the ones I wanted, so they look more like the newer model STIs.